So, that has me really bothered about this, like, they're telling you to sneeze into your elbow thing. Have you actually tried to sneeze into your elbow? It is, like, physically impossible. What are you supposed to do? Just, like, sneeze and it goes into someone's face? No. So, I found this medical text, and it says right here, see, that part of the body is called the cubital fossa. So, remember everybody, sneeze into your cubital fossa, not... Did you just sneeze into my elbow? You're supposed to sneeze into your own elbow.
But you just said it's impossible to sneeze into your own elbow.
Well, that's so gross. Now I gotta go do my laundry all over again and everything.
Sorry.